Now let us see how to convert T to JK flip-flop. Okay, so for that, okay, at the end of this class you will be able to convert the given T flip-flop to the JK flip-flop. So for the conversion, that means that for the given flip-flop we need to convert it to the other flip-flop. Okay, so let us see the procedure here. So first we need to get the conversion table. So for that we need to see the characteristic table for the required flip-flop, and then for the excitation table, okay, you need to see the available flip-flop. Okay, so after that you will write the conversion table. So we will derive the Boolean expressions for the available flip-flop inputs, and then after that we need to draw the logical circuit. Okay, so now let us see one by one. So here we need to identify so what is available and then what is required. So the conversion is nothing but T to JK. So T is nothing but our available flip-flop, okay, and then available flip-flop, and then JK is nothing but our required flip-flop. Okay, so required flip-flop. And now let us see. Okay, so first let us write the characteristic table for the required flip-flop. So the characteristic values, okay, so for the characteristic table we will start with the flip-flop inputs JK and then Qn plus 1. Okay, so we will write 0 0 0 1 1 0 and then 1 1. Okay, so whatever the value of JK, so for the JK in the 0 0, whatever the value of Q, that is going to be the same. So that means that we have a memory. And then for the 0 1, whatever the value of Q, it is going to be reset. For 1 0, whatever the value of Q, it is always going to be the set condition. And for 1 1, okay, so the Q is going to be the Q complement. So this is the characteristic table of the JK flip-flop. Now let us write the excitation table. So the excitation table, so variable starts with present state and then next state and then the flip-flop input, that is T. Okay, so because the given is T to JK. So we will write 4 combinations. Those are 0 0 0 1 1 0 and then 1 1. Okay, so you can remember here. Okay, so for the 0 0 excitation, for the T flip-flop excitation table, you can remember the values. For 0 0 it is 0, for the 0 1 it is 1, for 1 0 it is 1, for 1 1 it is 0. So this is the excitation table. And now let us write the conversion table by using the previous 2 tables. Okay, so first T to JK. Okay, so we will take the flip-flop inputs like this, so J and then K. Okay, so the present state and then next state Qn plus 1, and then from this you will write T. From this we will write T. Okay, so let me take 8 combinations here. So those are 0 0 0 and then 0 0 1. So for the 0 1, the Q may be either 0 or 1. Okay, so for 1 0, the Q may be either 0 or 1. For 1 1, the Q may be either 0 or 1. Okay, so now let us remember our characteristic table of JK. So that is for 0 0 it is Q. Okay, whatever the value of Q, so that means that for the inputs of JK as 0 0, it is going to be the Q. So we will take it as 0 and then 1, and then for the 0 1, so whatever the value of Q, so that means either 0 or 1, it is going to be reset. For 1 0, whatever the value of Q, it is always going to the set state. For 1 1, okay, the Q is going to be the Q complement. So for that you will write it as, so for the 1 0, for the 1 1, okay, with the values of JK as 1 1, it is going to be the complement of the Q. So you will write for 0 it will be 1, and for 1 it will be 0. Okay, you can remember like this. So this is nothing but Q. So reset, set, and then Q bar, Q complement. Okay, so next by using Q as well as Qn plus 1, we will write T. Okay, so now let us write T by using Q as well as Qn plus 1. So for the 0 0 it is 0, for the 1 1 it is 0, for the 0 0 it is 0, for 1 0 it is 1, 0 1 it is 1, 1 1 it is 0, 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 1. Okay, we got the conversion table now, and let us derive the expression for T. Okay, so for that we need to take 3 variable K map. Okay, so those variables are J, K and then Q. Okay, so let us fill the cells like this. So that is 0 0 0 1, and then next one is 1 0. Okay, so 1 0 1 and then 1. Okay, so you can have a map like this. So let us map the cells like this. So you can take one group and then you can map like this. Okay, so now we are going to have two expressions. Okay, so two terms. So that expression, so that is T is nothing but the OR gate of these two. Okay, so let us write the value, let us write the first expression answer. So T is equal to, so T is nothing but J, so that is J, and then other one is, okay, so you have to check Q, okay, so that is Q bar, and the next one is, okay, so the next one is, okay, so this is our the second expression. Okay, so this is our second mapping. For this we will write K into Q. Okay, so this is our second expression. Okay, so we will take okay, so the second expression answer is, the second mapping answer is K into Q. Okay, so this is our first mapping, and then second mapping, the first mapping answer is J into Q bar, and then second mapping answer is this one, so that is K into Q. So now we have expression in our hand, we can now we have expression in our hand, we can convert it to the, okay, so we can write the logical circuit. Okay, so let us remember our expression. Okay, so the expression is nothing but, so J Q bar plus K into Q. So the expression is nothing but T is equal to J into Q bar plus K into Q. So let us write the logical circuit. So let me take one flip flop. Okay, so we have flip flop input, that is T, and then we need to take a clock here. Okay, we need to take a clock here, and after that the flip flop outputs are Q and then Q bar. Okay, so let us take J into Q bar. So the flip flop input for T is nothing but one OR gate. Okay, so one OR gate. Okay, so the OR gate is nothing but, what are the inputs for this OR gate? Okay, there are two inputs, there are two AND gates. Okay, so let me take first AND gate and then second AND gate. The first AND gate inputs are J, other one is Q bar. So J, other one is Q bar, J and then Q bar. Okay, so the second input, the second AND gate inputs are, so one is K, other one is Q. Okay, so one is Q, one is K, other one is Q. So I am going to take Q from here. Okay, and I am going to give this as other input for this AND gate. So the outputs of these two AND gates are given as inputs for the OR gate. So this OR gate expression is nothing but J into Q bar plus K Q. Okay, so this is the logical circuit for the conversion of T to JK flip flop. Okay, so thank you.